Hello everyone, this is Sneh and welcome all of you to Code Learning. Guys, in this video, we will create coffee shop website. So stay in the video till the end. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. As you can see on my computer screen, this is our website. Let's see the website. Now let's create the website. First I will create this home page. Let's go to our editor and let's create it. In HTML file, I'm writing a comment and naming it home page. I'm taking a div with ID name home page, background color. Inside this container float, horizontal gutter gap and padding from bottom. Inside container I'm taking row and horizontal gutter gap 0. We don't need here. Padding from bottom. Now I'm writing a comment, naming it navbar. Now let's go to Bootstrap library, copy and go to your editor, paste here. I'm taking here navbar expand Excel, navbar dark. This class is for color and now remove this, height 15 VH, horizontal gutter gap 0. Remove this. I'm taking here h1 tag, text and inside it I'm taking a span tag, class PSXL5, PTXL4 and PT2. It's for padding from left, padding from top. In span tag, I'm giving color MS Auto and ME5. I'm removing these class and taking here home, class name home and font weight bold. Change text, change drop down text and remove this, copy this and paste. Remove text and drop down text. Copy this list item and paste below it and paste. Change name. Now remove this, copy this list item and paste here, change name. Now let's see output. You can see here. Now remove this font, we don't need. Now I'm taking input tab for checkbox, type checkbox, ID menu. Inside it level tab, level for menu, ID name, copy and paste here. Inside this level, I'm taking icon. For icon, I'm using Font Awesome. Give here ID, menu BTN. Now copy this and paste. Change this class. I'm taking here cross icon, ID cancel. Now close this. Now let's see. You can see here checkbox. This checkbox is for our right slider. After this, I'm taking a div with the class name right slider. Padding from bottom, H2 tab, text. Inside it, I'm taking a span tab, inline CSS for color, text. After this, I'm taking P tag, class, margin from top, MX5, text. After this P tag, I'm taking column, class name call, padding from top and text center. I'm taking H4 tag, class, MT3, margin from top, MB3, margin from bottom and text contact info. After this H4 tag, I'm taking list item. This is for our contact information. Here you can see, here I'm using font icons from Font Awesome. And after this, I'm taking social icons. For that, I'm taking H4 tag, text, social media. I'm taking a div with class name call and vertical margin and one class for target this column, social icon and another class display flex, justify content, center. Now I'm taking social icon. For social icons, I'm using Font Awesome and FS5, it's for font size. Now let's see output. Now go to our editor, and after nav tag I'm taking column. For that I'm writing comment, naming it col1. Column call Excel 5, text white, background color. Now I'm taking H2 tag and text class ms5. After this I'm taking S3 tag, class ms5 MT4 MV5. It's for margin from left, top and bottom, and text. After this S3 I'm taking P tag, class ms5 and text. After this P tag I'm taking div tag, class display flex, margin from top, inline CSS, margin from left 6%. Inside it I'm taking a div with class name btn, and I'm taking here another class btn1. This class is for target this button, margin from top and text, and after this text I'm taking icons, and another class ms2. It's for margin from left side, and after this div I'm taking another div with class name circle, and another class ms3, margin from left, text center, pt3, padding from top, inline css, border radius 50%, border 2 pixel solid, and your color name, width 60 pixels and height color, and inside it I'm taking icon, and after this I'm taking another button, class ms1, mt2, font size 17 pixel, text. Now let's see, this is our column first. Now after this column 1 I'm taking another column, call2, call Excel 7. Inside it I'm taking image, class. Now our HTML code is complete. Now I will style it. First I will style this logo. So let's go to CSS file. I'm writing a comment here and naming it home page. I'm targeting logo, nav h1, background color, height 17 px, width 41.7%. In nav bar, I will give two colors. First half will this color. In second half, you can see this color. Font size 55 pixel, color, font weight 600, and font family. After this logo, I will style list item text, color, font size 14 pixel, font weight 500, transition 0.2 second, letter spacing 3 pixel, text decoration none. Now go to HTML file, remove this class. Now you can see. Now I will give color on hover, and also I will target home class, our first list item, color. After this I will target light tag, margin from right 65 pixel. Now I will style drop down, go to HTML5, font size 25 pixel, and after this I will target. Now go to HTML file and copy this class, paste here, border 1 pixel solid, padding 15 pixel, copy this and paste, give here hover. Now I will give background color on hover and border none. Now let's see, go to HTML file. Now I will comment this so we can see this clearly. Now let's see. Yes, you can see. Now I will make it responsive. It's already responsive but needs some changes. I'm using media query, maximum width 1200 pixel. Copy this and paste. I'm giving a background color transparent. Now you can see. Now I will target UL tag, background color white, width 100%. Now you can see copy drop down menu. Here you can see a border, but right now we don't need it. Paste here. So I'm giving here border none, padding from left 50 pixel, background color transparent. Now I will style text, list item text. Here you can see. So I'm giving here line height 55 pixel, color black, padding from left 40 pixel, font weight bold. Now you can see. Now copy this and paste, remove this, copy these properties and paste here. Remove this padding, give here anchor tag. I'm using media query for maximum width 768 pixel. Copy this class and paste here. Margin 0 from top, minus 2.3% from right, 7% from bottom and 0 from left. Now let's see. Here you can see it's complete responsive. Now go to HTML file and now remove this comment. Here you can see now. Now I will style it. Go to editor, CSS file. I'm writing comment. Go to HTML file. Copy this class. Now go to CSS file. Paste here. Background color. Text align center. Width 350 pixel. Position absolute. Top 0. Right minus 80%. Transition all. 0.5 second. EG. Right now I am giving here right 0%. Now I will target h2 tag, copy this class name and paste. I will target h2 tag, heading from top 20%, again paste your class name, before left 56%, top 60%, width 14%. Here you can see this code. Now go to HTML file. Now I will style this and this. So go to CSS file, color white. Here you can see. Now go to HTML file, copy this ID name. Now go to CSS file, paste here, give here display none. This one is for checkbox. Now go to HTML file. Now I will style this and this. So copy this ID name, go to CSS file and paste. Position absolute, cursor pointer, font size 26 pixel. Now copy this and paste. I am giving here right 10 pixel, top 40%. Now copy this ID name and paste. I am giving here Z index 1, right -10%, top 50%, transition all 0.5 second easy, ID name menu checked, paste to class name right slider, right 0, and now I'm using media query, maximum width 1200 pixel. Copy this and paste here. I'm also target button, display none, visibility hidden. Now let's see if I will click here. So here you can see this, copy this and paste, change this class name, give here label and ID name cancel, and 1% from right side. Now let's see. Now if I will click here, so you can see here. Now I will give here scroll bar, target your class name, right slider and give here maximum height. You can see this code. This code is for scroll bar. Give here -2%. Now it's look good and you can scroll it. I'm giving here 740 pixel height. Again write to class name, copy this class name and paste. Target A. Here I'm giving letter spacing 0 pixel. Now let's see. If I click here, you can close from here. You can close it and scroll it. Now I will style this section. I'm writing comment, naming it home call. Go to HTML file, copy this ID name, go to CSS file and paste. Here I will target h2 tag, margin from top 35%. Now I will target p tag, width 80%. Now I will use media query, maximum width 1200 pixel. Copy this and paste. Change this margin. I'm giving here 7% from top. Now go to HTML file and copy this class. Paste here. I'm giving here padding from bottom 11%. Now let's see output. So our home page is completed. Now I will create this card section. Let's go to our editor. I'm writing a comment and naming it card. I'm taking a div with ID name card. Background color. Inside it, I'm taking container float, horizontal gutter gap, vertical padding till MD screen. Inside container, I'm taking row, vertical padding till MD screen, horizontal gutter gap, vertical gutter gap. Now I'm taking column. For that, I'm writing comment, col1. I'm taking col XL4, col MD6. Inside this column, I'm taking another div with class name box, padding from all side and padding from bottom 4. Inside this box, I'm taking another div, display flex, margin from bottom. Inside it, I'm taking icon and in icon FS1, it's for font size, ME4, margin from right. After icon, I'm taking H4 tag and text. Now close this div and after this div, I'm taking P tag for paragraph. Now close this column, copy this column and paste. I'm taking here 3 columns, change comment name, change icon, change this text. Now again change this comment name, icon, change title. Now let's see output. Here you can see. Now I will style it. Go to CSS file. I'm writing comment, ID. Here I will target box, class name. I'm giving background color and border 1 pixel solid and your color name. Now copy this and paste. I will change border color on hover. Remove this background color and change this border color. Now I will style p tag, margin from left 18%. Now I will use media query for responsive, maximum width 1200 pixel. Now go to HTML file, remove this class and give here card third. Copy this class, go to CSS file and paste here width 100%, display flex, justify content center, align items center, flex direction column. Now copy this and paste. Here margin left 14%. Now let's see output. Here you can see and let's see its responsive version. Now I will create this section about. So let's go to our editor and let's create it. I'm writing a comment and naming it about. I'm taking a div with ID name about. Background color. Inside it I'm taking container fluid, GX5, PY5, vertical padding. Inside it I'm taking row, PY5, GX5, GY4. And now I'm taking column, call Excel4, call MD6, order Excel1, order 3. This means this column position will call first till extra large screen, and after that its position will change, and after that this column become call 3. Now I'm taking image, class, margin from bottom. Inside it I'm taking p tag, class, empty Excel2, margin from top, text. Now close this div, copy this column and paste, change comment name, remove this order, give here order 2 and margin from top, change image, change margin and remove this margin, remove this paragraph. Now I'm taking column 3, copy this and paste, change this column, call 12, change this order, call Excel3 and after that order 1. Inside it I'm taking h2 tag, text. After this I'm taking h3 tag, class, mt3, mv4, margin, it's for margin and text. And now I'm taking p tag for paragraph and class will be mv5, it's for margin from bottom and text. Here you can see. And after this paragraph I'm taking a span tag, class fs1, it's for font size, inline css, color and text, it's for name, font style italics. After this span tag I'm taking h5 tag, text, class, mbxl0 and after extra large screen, margin from bottom 4, inline css, color, font size 17 pixel. Now close this. Our HTML code is completed. Now need here some style. Go to CSS file. I'm writing comment. Now I'm targeting ID name about. I'm taking here padding from bottom 12%. This padding is for our next section. As you can see here is our countdown and need here more space. So that's why I'm taking this padding from bottom. Now I will target paragraph width 93%. Now I will use media query, maximum width 1200 pixel. Copy this and paste. Change this padding and give here 100%. Now copy this and paste here. Remove this and change this padding. Go to editor. Change this font size. Now it's look good. Let's see its responsive version. Here you can see our third column is in first and our first column is in third. So it's complete responsive. Now I will create this countdown and this fixed image. Let's go to our editor and let's create it. I'm writing a comment and I'm naming it fixed image. I'm taking a div with ID name fixed image. Inside it I'm taking container float and another class p5, it's for padding from all sides, inline css, background color and border from all sides, 1 pixel solid and no color name. After this I'm taking row and vertical gutter gap. And now I'm taking column. For that I'm writing comment call 1. I'm taking call Excel3, column d6, text center and another class count. This class is for target this column. Inside it I'm taking icon. For icon I'm using font awesome. And after this icon I'm taking h3 tag, text, class and margin from top. This attribute I'm taking for countdown. And after h3 I'm taking a span tag. After this I'm taking h5 tag, text, class fs6, it's for font size and style, color. Now let's see. Here you can see. Now copy this column and paste. I'm taking 4 column, change comment name, call 4. Now change icon, change value, change this text, change this icon, change value, text. Now change this icon. Now I will style it. Copy this ID name, go to CSS file. I'm writing comment, paste your ID name, linear gradient, URL, height 100 VH, background position, center, background size, cover, background repeat, no repeat, background attachment, fixed, position relative. Now I will target span tag, ID name fixed image, span, position absolute, font weight bold, font size 25 pixel, color, right 33%, top 40%. Copy this ID name and paste. Now I will target icons, color, font size 45 pixel. Go to HTML file, copy this container float. Now go to CSS file, paste and copy this ID name, paste. Here I will give position absolute, top minus 15%, width 97%. Now let's see. Now give here display flex and justify content center. Display flex, justify content center. Now let's see. Now go to HTML file, copy this class, paste here and paste your ID name, position relative, border from right 1 pixel, solid and color. Now I will use media query for responsive. Maximum width 1200 pixels. Copy this and paste here. I'm using here nth child. Remove this property and give here border none. Copy this and paste. Remove this property, position absolute, and give here 96%, top minus 40%. Now copy this media query and paste. Change width. I'm taking 768 pixel. Remove this. Give here height 50 ph. Copy this and paste. Border right none. Now again copy this and paste. Width 92%. Now copy this and paste. Remove these properties. Change this 30% from top. Now let's see. Now I will write JS code for this countdown. Let's go to our JS file. I'm writing comment, naming it countdown and our code. Now you can see, give here more space, go to CSS file, give here 30% from top. Now let's see. Now it's look good. Now let's see its responsive version. It's complete responsive. Now I will create this section, special coffee menu. Let's go to editor and let's create it. I'm writing a comment and naming it special coffee menu. Copy this and paste. Change ID name. Change background color. Padding from top 4%. Change padding PTMD5. Change this vertical gutter gap and change this padding PT5. Copy this div and paste. Inside this row I'm taking column, call Excel6, margin from top 10%. Now I'm taking H2 tag and text. After H2 I'm taking S3 tag and text. Class vertical margin. Now I'm taking P tag for paragraph. Class margin from bottom MB4 and another class for target this paragraph. Here you can see. And now I'm taking another div padding from top and another class row image. This class is for target. Inside this I'm taking column, call MD2. Inside column I'm taking image, class, and after this column I'm taking another column, margin from left. Inside this I'm taking H4 tag, class, empty MD0, empty4, margin from top 0 till the medium screen. After that margin from top 4. Inside H4 I'm taking a span tag. In span, class, dots and margin from right. And after this span I'm taking another span. Inside this span I'm taking a line CSS color, font size 19 pixel, price. Now close this H4 tag. After this I'm taking P tag and text. Now close this. Now close this row. Now copy this row and paste. I'm taking here 4 rows. Now change image. Change this heading. Now I'm writing comment for column 2. Column call Excel6. Inside this I'm taking another div with class name box. Inside box I'm taking image, class, inline CSS with 100%, object fit, cover. Now close this div. Now close this column and copy this column 2 and paste below it. Change comment name call 3. I'm giving here order Excel3. This class is for position of column and order 4. Change image. Now I'm writing comment for column 4, naming it call 4. Column call Excel6, padding from left and copy this order class and paste. Change order Excel4 and order 3. Inline CSS, margin from top 6%. Now go to above, copy this and paste. Change this text and change this text. Remove this class, margin from bottom. Now let's see. Go to editor. After this P, I'm taking row and padding from top. Inside this row, I'm taking column. Inside this column, I'm taking icon. For icon, I'm using font awesome. And in icon, font size FS1 and margin from top. And after this column, I'm taking another column. Inside this, I'm taking H4, text. After H4, I'm taking P tag for paragraph, class, margin from top, class empty3, margin from top. Copy this row and paste. I'm taking here 2 row. Now change icon. Now change text. Now I will style it. Copy this ID name. Go to CSS. I'm writing comment. Paste your ID name. Go to HTML file. Copy this class and paste. Width 600 pixel. Copy this and paste. Remove this class and this width. Go to HTML file. Copy this and paste here. Image with 100 pixel. Copy your ID name and paste. Go to HTML file. As you can see here in H4. this is span tag and class and this class dots. Now go to CSS file, h4 class dots. Here I am using pseudo element class after content. Here you can see in content I am writing dot, font size 16 pixel, color. Now close this. Now let's see the output. Here you can see this dot. Now let's go to editor, copy this and paste. Now go to HTML file. I'm giving here another class dots2 and in row 3rd I'm giving dots3 and after this dots change this class dots2. Remove these properties, copy this and paste. Again paste, change this class. Now change dots. Now let's see, our column first is completed. Now I will work for column 4. Go to our editor. Now I am using media query, maximum width 768 pixel. Go to above, copy this and paste here, width 100% and width 100%. Now let's see output. Now let's see its responsive version. It's complete responsive. Now I will create this section, our coffee menu. Let's go to our editor and let's create it. Copy this and paste. Change comment name, change background color, remove this and give here class, vertical padding till MD screen. Change this pad, remove this gutter gap, change this padding. I'm writing a comment, naming it title. I'm taking column, call 12, text center, padding from top, margin from bottom. Now I'm taking h2 tag and text, class, margin from, after this h2 I'm taking h3 tag and text. And after this I'm taking column. And for that I'm writing comment, call 1, call Excel6, inside it another div and class display flex. Go to above, copy this and paste, remove this class, change text, change this price, class margin from bottom, MD4, paste here. Now close this div, copy this and paste. Now change text, change price. Now let's see, so this is our first column, copy this column first and paste. Now change comment name, copy this and close row and container ID. Now let's see, now I will style it, copy this ID name, go to CSS file, I'm writing comment. Now go to above, copy this and paste, change ID name, give here position relative, minus 19% from top. Now go to HTML file, give here other class dots2 and paste here, change, go to CSS file, copy this and paste, change class, remove these properties, copy this, change this class. Now change dots. Let's see its responsive version. It's complete responsive. Now I will create this section. Let's go to our editor. I'm writing comment, naming it partner. Go to above, copy this and paste, copy this div and close this row, container float and ID. Change this ID name, change this background color, remove this class and give here class text Excel start and text center. Change this comment, call 1, give here call Excel4, remove this class and I am taking margin from bottom, change title, change this text, close this div and after this column 1 I am taking column 2, call MD and call 12. Inside it I am taking image, class, width 350 pixel, copy this column 2, paste, change comment name, call 3 and call 4, change image, remove this. Now let's go to CSS file. I am writing comment, ID name, image, filter, I am giving brightness 100% and contrast 100%, saturate 10%, blur 0 pixel, here you can see, and I will remove filter on hover, copy this and paste, filter none. Now let's see, if you will hover then you can see. Now let's see its responsive version. It's complete responsive. Now I will create this section gallery. So let's go to our editor and let's create it. I'm writing comment and naming it gallery. Now let's go to above, copy this and paste here. Copy this closed div, paste it just for closed row, container flood and this ID. Now change this ID, change background color, padding 5% from top and bottom and 0 from left and right. Remove this class, give here MD5 and PY4 for vertical padding. I'm taking here col 12, text center, remove this and margin from bottom 5 till MD screen and margin from bottom 4. Change this title. Now change this text. You can see here, change this comment name, title, and after this title, I'm taking column. For that, I'm writing comment, col 1, column, col Excel 4, col MD6. Inside it, I'm taking image, class, margin from bottom 5 till MD screen, and after that margin from bottom 4. In this column, I'm taking another image, copy this and paste, change image name and remove this margin. Now close this div, format selection, copy this column and paste. I'm taking here 3 column. Now change comment name, col 2 and col 3. Change image and change also this image. Now let's see. So here you can see our gallery section. Now let's see its responsive version. Go to editor and give here PY4 for vertical gap. Now you can see equal gap between image. And it's complete responsive. Now I will create this section, testimonial. So let's create it. I'm writing a comment and naming it testimonials. I'm taking a div with ID name testimonials. Inside it, I'm taking container flood and horizontal gutter gap. And in container, I'm taking background color with 95%. And inside it, I'm taking rows. Now I will use Swiper.js for testimonials. So copy code from Swiper.js library and paste here. In this slide, I'm taking text center, padding from all sides, and inside it p tag, class text white and text, and after this p, I'm taking image, class, and margin from top till MD screen 5 and margin from bottom 4, inline CSS, border radius 50%, height 80 pixel, width 80 pixel, border 5 pixel solid, color. After this image, I'm taking h4 tag and text, class, D block for display block and FS5 font size. And yeah, after this I'm taking this span tag, class FS5, font weight medium, color and text. Now close this. I'm writing here comment, slide first. Now copy this and paste, change comment name, change image, change text. Now I will style it. Go to CSS file. I'm writing comment, naming it testimonials, ID testimonial. Go to a copy this and paste, change image, remove this background attachment and position relative. Go here align item center, copy your ID name and paste. Go to HTML files, copy this class name, paste here, width 95%, copy this and paste. Go to HTML file, copy this class name, paste here, width 50%, height 60 VH, copy your ID name, paste here. Now I will target p tag, font size 20 pixel, font family, font weight 600, letter spacing 2 pixel, line height 35 pixel. Now I will use media query for maximum width 1200 pixel. Copy this and paste. Remove this height. Give here width 100%. Now copy this and paste. Font size 17 pixel. Now let's see. Now I will write JS code. Go to JS file. I'm writing comment, testimonials, slider. For slider, copy JS code from Swiper.js library and paste here. As you can see, this code is for our testimonial slider. Now let's see output. Change this font size. Give here FS5. As here I have taken 3 slides. Now let's see its output. This is our testimonial. Now let's see its responsive version. It's complete responsive. Now I will create this section, blog and news. So let's go to our editor and let's create it. I'm writing a comment and I'm naming it blog. Go to above and copy this, paste here, copy this, close row, close container flood and close ID. Change ID name. I'm giving here blog and give here PYMD5 and PY4 and remove this and change this title and also change this title. And after this I'm writing a comment for col 1, taking column col Excel7. Inside this column I'm taking another div with class name box. In box I'm taking inline CSS, height 420 pixel, and inside this box I'm taking image, class and inline CSS, width 100%, height 100%, object fit cover. Now close this box. After this box, I'm taking H4 tab and class, vertical margin, text, and after this H4, I'm taking a span, text, class, FS6, font size and font weight medium. After this span, I'm taking p tag, class, empty3 for margin from top and text. Now close this column. Now let's see. Now I will create column 2. For that I'm writing comment call 2. I'm taking call Excel 5, format selection, and inside this I'm taking row, vertical gutter gap and margin from left. Inside this I'm taking column. Inside this column taking image, class, image float, and after this column I'm taking another column, call 7. Copy this span and paste inside this column, and after this I'm taking H5 text. Now close this column, copy this and paste below it. I'm taking here 4 column. Now change image. Now I will style it. Go to CSS file. I'm writing comment, ID name. Here I will target H5 tag. I will give color on hover, transition. Now let's see output. Now change this title. Go to editor. Now let's see output. Now let's see its responsive version. It's complete responsive. Now I will create this footer section and this copyright. Let's go to our editor and let's create it. I'm writing a comment and naming it footer. Go to above, copy this and paste here. Change this ID name, change background color, remove this padding, give here PT5, change this padding and remove this horizontal gutter gap. Now change this title, remove this S3 tag, taking here P tag and class empty4 margin from top and text, and after this I'm taking column call MD4 text center. Inside this column I'm taking H4 tab, text, quick links, class MB4. Now I'm taking list item, text. Now copy this list and paste, change text name. Now copy this column and paste. Here I'm taking 3 column, change comment name, call 2, call 3, change text. Here you can see after title, here is call 1, quick links, opening up, and our third column is for contact information, and this div is for border, this div is for privacy policy, this is for social icon, terms and conditions. Now let's see output. Now I will style it. Let's go to our CSS file. I'm writing comment, naming it footer, ID name footer. First I will target H2 tag, letter spacing 0, font size 55 pixel, copy this and paste. I'm giving here before, remove this, width 40%, left 60%, top 14 pixel, remove this. Now I will target p tag, text center. You can see this, this p tag with 31%. Let's see output. You can see, go to HTML file and give here display flex, justify content center, align items center, flex column. Now copy this class name, go to CSS file and paste here, margin 8% from top, 0% from right and 3% from bottom, 0 from left. Now I will give color on hover, color white. Now I will use media query for maximum width 1200 pixel, copy this and paste here, give here width 60%, copy this media query, paste, change width. I'm taking 768 pixel. Your width will be 100%. Now go to HTML file, copy this class and paste here. Margin from top -6%. Now copy this and paste. Change this margin 20% from top, 6% from bottom. Go to HTML file, copy these classes. Now go to CSS file, paste here. Now let's see output and it's complete responsive. So hey guys, how did you like the website? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.